Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So, I'm still waiting on the full spoilers for June. Right now I got the add-on June spoilers, or at least some of them. There's way more than this, but I do have some of them. Now, if you don't know what add-ons are, they are extra products that you can get with your glam bag. If you get a sample size, it's $3. A full-sized item, it is $12. So it's up to 3 extra items that you can get. So, if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing the Ipsy July bags. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, Mandy. Well, hi, Lisa, girl. How you doing? I hope you're doing good. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video, honey. I thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, if you missed my last video, July Ipsy bags are up. So go and check that video out if you want to see what next month's bags are going to look like. And again, there are more than these add-ons, but these are just a few spoilers that we've seen. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. So the first one is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Next up is the Goldfaden MD Bright Eyes. And then we have the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion. Then we have the Youth to the People. I believe this is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. Damn, what a mouthful, y'all. God dang. Alright, so next, this is the... Y'all, I can't even read my own damn handwriting. I don't know what in the hell this says. Is it Playa New Day Mist? Something, I'll correct it up here. This is the 3-in-1 Styler Refresh. Then next up we have the First Aid Beauty. This is the Niacinamide Brightening Cream. Then we have the Sunday Riley UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. Then we have Ciate Linen. This is the Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. Next up is a Luxie brush. I don't know exactly which one that is. And then we have the I Do Care Berry Groovy, the Matcha Mood Cake My Day Wash Off Mask. What the hell did I just say? And then last but certainly not least, y'all, is that little makeup sponge right there. Now, I don't know what brand it is, but I did blow up the picture, and it does look like one of them velvet ones or velour. Is it velour? I don't know. It looks like one of those fuzzy sponges. Now, I did find this microfiber sponge by Juno & Company, but I don't know if that's the exact sponge. So, I'm not exactly sure, but let me know what y'all think about these items. Are you getting any add-on items this month? And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, and I'll have full spoilers up hopefully soon, I will keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's link below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Diana, is it Followwell? I hope I said that right. Anyways, or it could be Deanna. Diana or Deanna. Anyway, she says, I really like these bags. Well, honey, I totally agree. I think it is an improvement from last month. Those bags were just not of my liking. Now, a lot of people did like them, and you know how everybody's got different opinions. But I really do like these bags. But you know, watch it be some corny-ass damn theme like Love to Travel or something. You know, that's what I'm guessing. I don't know. They need to hire me down there at the damn Ipsy, because I'd be coming up with some really cool ideas. I got a lot of cool ideas. Box Charm needs to hire me too, but, you know, they don't even know who in the hell I am. Anyways, I've got way off topic. Anyways, Deanna, honey, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my damn subscribers and tell me I ain't got shit. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.